Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video, I will take a look at how to display related posts in Avada. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. Now in the context of this video, when we say related posts, we don't just mean blog posts. We mean all default and custom post types available in WordPress. So this might be displaying your related posts, projects, products, events, FAQs, and even custom post types added through ACF. The best method for this is to use the postcards element in a layout. Let me illustrate. I've imported the Avada factory pre-built here, and I'm on a blog post. As we can see further down the page, there is a section displaying related posts. So to edit this, I need to open the content layout section used for this blog layout. That just opens in the builder, and now when I scroll down, we can see it is indeed the postcards element being used. If I edit the element, we can see under the content source option that related has been selected based on the taxonomy of tags. So the posts that display at the bottom of this particular post all share at least one tag with the post. If I change the taxonomy to categories, then a different selection of posts are shown. The post I'm on is in two categories, development and featured, and so all the related posts will be in at least one of these categories. Now whether it's a portfolio project, a WooCommerce product, or any other custom post type, the process is the same. For posts and products, there are also two layout elements you can use instead of the postcards element. These are the related posts element, which was designed before postcards were released, and is used to display recent blog posts, and the Woo related products element, which again was created before postcards and which will display related products on a product page. The postcards element, however, is an option that will work for all public post types in WordPress, be they default or custom post types. And in case they are not listed, there are also filters for both, post_card_post_types, and post_card_post_taxonomies. Let's just look at one more example. Here on the Vegan Store website, at the bottom of a single product page is a related product section. When I edit the postcards element, again we can see related is the content source, and here product categories is the taxonomy. As we can see on the taxonomy option, there are a lot of possible taxonomies here, providing an enormous variety of ways to display related products. Okay, that's how to display related posts in Avada. The postcards element gives you enormous control over this and other ways of displaying your post type content. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.